Starting number 18, RP on yellow. 221, Sarasota Gray. At 410, Gia Talia. Other 429, Yo Alastas. And man in the middle, number 25, Timothy Procor. And coach is Louis Santos. This is the part in and team manager JJ Mahira and team.
Nako mga kajali, eto na naman po ang aking kabog ng dibdib. Kahit madalas pong naglalaro si Noah, iba pa rin po yung kaba ko. Ayan, Noah!
If there is one thing that the kids are looking forward to this weekend, it's Junior MPBL. So again, ang ating first game of the day, Pasig kontra sa Valenzuela. Sisimulan natin sa ating 16 and under division. Pound for pound fitness, B Liga ready. Foul counted play of the quarter, Noah Manalastas.
Great find by his teammate, giving it up down to the baseline to Noah Manalastas. 4 points in the ball game, trying to make it 5 for Valenzuela.
He gets his own miss. Kanya pa din. Huli ni Tristan Flores. And we just said, Coach, no, na itong Pasig Stallions, kakasabi ko lang, home court advantage. Bakit nga ba, Coach? Pasig yung dinadala nila. Nasa San Juan tayo.
Of course, this Pasig Stallions squad, this is bannered by the Xavier School. So it is a school-based squad, school-based team. Dito tayo naglaro sa Xavier. So talagang home court advantage. Nakaputi nga
Araw-araw nandito itong mga players ng Pasig Stallion as Tristan Flores cleaning up the board para dito sa kanyang kupunan.
Second chance opportunities working well para dito sa Pasig. Both teams rebounding well today.
Cheng stops. Short. Kanya pa din ang bola. Kicks it out. Yui Vergara. Can't get his second three-pointer.
So they have been trying to ring that, trying to call long distance etong Pasig, pero isa pa lang ang kanilang na-shoot. That was courtesy of Yui Vergara.
With the defense of Pasig Stallions, pero tumuloy-tuloy etong si Taglia. Noah Manalastas na naman para dito sa Valenzuela.
6 points for Noah, and I said it earlier, both teams doing a good job, offensive rebounds, going, getting at it, going for those extra possessions.
Ryan C. getting fouled on the attack. See this again, coach.
There's that miss and then that offensive board. Taglia missing on that lefty layup, but Noah Manalastas getting that offensive board and the stick back.
Ryan C. so far with a couple of points, averaging 10 points, 7 rebounds, and almost 2 assists per contest.
Ayun, gumagana na pala yung laptop mo. Wala ko kanina.
Oh,
Ewan ko kung ano man nangyari na. Parang
nag-white screen o nag-glitch.
Takot ako doon. Isip ko, naku, masisira na yung araw ng kasama ko. Pasak yung kanyang laptop.
Natamaan ng bola. Natamaan yung kape.
Kwento mo
Natamaan
kasi.
ng bola yung kape habang nagwa-warm up itong Pasig. Tapos sumaboy dito sa laptop ko. Buti sa likod lang.
Buti na lang.
Tsaka buti gumana. Mabait talaga si Lord. Meantime, here's Ryan C. Cheng back to Ryan. Free throw jumper. It's in.
4 points now for Ryan C.
Taglia on the attack. Taglia will miss. Rebound Tristan Flores. Bola ulit ng Pasig. Almost halfway ng ating first quarter. 13-11. Lamang ng dalawang Valenzuela. Bigay sana kay Vergara. Naagawan ni Anyano. Arkin against Cheng. Can't get that one. Andre Panganiban up and under. Move. It's in.
Again, offensive rebounds for the side of Valenzuela, doing a lot of damage. That time again, Andre Panganiban with the offensive rebound, offensive board.
D now to Tristan Flores. Vergara looking for a teammate. Couldn't find the cutting Tristan Flores. Naagawan sila dito ni San Buenaventura. Taglia. A three-pointer by Arkin Anyano and he hits it home.
Great ball movement para dito sa side ng Valenzuela. They are starting hot in today's ball game. That time, Arkin Anyano. Look at that three-pointer all the way from Valenzuela.
Starting hot indeed. Something that they weren't able to do last game, and a timeout has been called by Pasig Stallions. Under 2 minutes remaining. Cheng on the move. Some herky-jerky and Cheng off the glass.
Stop and go motion. Going baseline, getting the deuce off the glass for Cheng.
Rafael Cheng. Kita mo yung galaw nito ni Rafael Cheng na freeze yung kalaban eh.
About the offense.
Medyo napapailag na tayo dito. Takpan ko na yung laptop ko ulit sana. It's Rion C. Getting that layup to go. Lamang na ng isang Pasig. Taglia on the move. Met by 2 defenders up top pero walang problema, says Gian.
Hindi siya magpapadaig. Gian Taglia doing a great job here in the first half. So far, one of the leading scorers, 5 points already in the game.
Another miss para dito sa mga nakaputi. 2 minutes gone by here in quarter number 2. Top of the PS Cruz, bigay kay Taglia. He's on the move. Ill-advised shot. Noah Manalastas, sablay pa din.
No angle on that one. Tried to go up and under.
Back in the ball game, agaw dito si Arkin Anyano. Using that sidestep off the glass is short. Rebound na naman para kay Tristan.
Going by knocking down those free throws.
Eto. Doesn't need that psychological effect. Yui Vergara hitting his second three-pointer of the ball game as Yang gets that one to go. The lefty layup, it's in.
Jordan, the recipient of that nice steal from Yui. Cutting middle, getting the deuce.
Gian Taglia stops and pops. He scores for Valenzuela.
Right spot for Valenzuela. Etong si Gian here in the second quarter.
33-26. Anyano spins. Anyano floats it up. And that one goes in.
Arkin that time. Siya naman daw to the basket after that help on the baseline. Here's that spin move earlier by Art for Pasig. Hindi nabigyan doon, hindi nakakonvert.
Gian Taglia. A three-pointer on the way, sablay para dito kay Brady. 1 second remaining. Muntik pang tamaan. Si Boss Alex doon sa ilalim. Natamaan niya ata electric pan niya. Kukulang na yata isang LEC nung isang electric pan niya.
Aray ko.
And at halftime, a 5-point lead para sa Pasig Stallions, 33-28. Once again, we are coming to you live.
Pick it up for the deuce.
Agaw ni Vergara. Hindi na mapupunta bola. Rafa Cheng pa din. Can't hit 4 straight. Jared Unson. Pumatak sa kanya yung bola pero nawala din. Clarence Regalo on the move. Binigay kay Noah Manalastas, their leading scorer. That one's a miss. Masyadong malakas naman yung pasa dito kay Jordan Yeng.
Listening to many financial gurus, isa sa lesson na natutunan ko is this. Kapag maaga ka raw nag-invest, mas marami kang oras para mag-compound at magtrabaho ang pera sa'yo. It's investing in your future. Pag-iipon o pagpopondo kahit papakunti-kunti. At yung early pondo na yan, eksaktong ginawa ni Head Coach Louie ng Valenzuela. April pa lang daw simula na ng scouting at training na agad. Pukpuk talaga. Kasi alam niya na pagdating ng klase at ibang commitments, mababawasan na ang oras. At nangyari nga, once a week na lang ang practice nila kaya kahit may early investment siya, ngayon napapakinabangan na sa liga, turning that pondo into magic. He admitted they can do more pero kahit limitado ang oras, sinasagad niya kasama ang players na may school training para masulit ang bawat segundo at makuha ang pinakamagandang return of investment sa court. Kayo, Coach Anton Charles, anong investment nyo?
Thanks so much, Quinn Burcarse. Glad you asked about investments. No? So far, ang pinakamagandang investment natin, Coach, yung katawan natin.
Katawan natin.
Diba? Kailangang alagaan, kaya we're going under, or I am going under a big lifestyle change. I don't know about you, Coach, pero going back to Quinn's report, Coach Louie Buenaventura, slowly, nakikita niya na yung investment, yung return. Maaga sila nagsimula ng training camp, maaga silang nagsama-sama. Ngayon na medyo mahigpit yung schedule, at least hindi sila nangangarag.
That's correct. They are, again, they've gotten used to that kind of, or playing with each other. This record of Valenzuela does not tell the whole story of how this team really is for Coach Louie San Buenaventura.
Pero ikaw, Coach, ano ba yung investment mo? Mayaman na to eh. Madami na itong na-invest ng kabataan niya eh. Tandaan na kasi itong kasama ko eh.
Wala. Yeah, that's the only priority actually.
Secondary lang yung pagiging atleta.
That time, Jordan Yeng, nice cut to the basket. Nice find for the 2 points.
Ano ba talaga to si Jordan Yeng? Kaliwete o kanan? Kasi kanina lumayap 2 beses kaliwa eh. Parang parehas. Ano mo yun?
Ambidextrous.
Smooth yung layup niya. Gian Taglia scores on the baseline. Isa na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Valenzuela just like that. Pero si Rion C hindi papayag.
Finishing again, yung bilis ng aksyon, yung bilis ng ating pace.
He is in transition together with Gian Taglia. Skies high for that one. It's in.
Off-balanced and all, Gian Taglia with the contact, still able to finish on that fast break for Valenzuela.
Something about lefties talaga, Coach. No? Medyo mahirap talagang ulihin kontra Tiempo.
Jello San Buenaventura knocking down that left wing 3. Almost a steal by Pasig. Buti na lang na-recover doon ng Valenzuela.
14 on the 24 para sa Pasig. Another miss para dito sa mga nakaputi. It's Isham D. Gian Taglia on the move. Ginawang cones yung mga kalaban, Coach.
It's a nice move to stop and then go for that fadeaway jumper in.
Naku, masyadong malakas itong pasa ni or masyadong delikado yung pasa nito ni Fideliaga. Gian Taglia. Underneath, Jared Cruz will miss. Timothy Corcolon. Napayungan siya dito. 5 seconds remaining. Puts it up and puts it in. Back-to-back hits from outside para dito sa Valenzuela. Tie ball game.
And you can see it's Arkin Añano and Gian Taglia carrying the fight for Valenzuela.
Meantime, 9 seconds remaining here in the third. Pedeliaga in and out. And there's Stan with an offensive board. Sablay pa din. 3 seconds remaining. Arkin Añano. And that one will miss. The tie ball game we have here, a very close one. Both teams di pa rin makalayo dito sa ating laro as we take a look at our Chef's Magic third quarter highlights.
Of course, it's going to be led by Gian Taglia for the side of Valenzuela. You see him there going for that layup. This time, pull-up jumper from the short corner. On the other end, stepping on the pace, pushing the pace. Pumutok itong Valenzuela to tie this game up.
So far, looking at the stats, Coach, almost similar. Hindi talaga nagkakalayo itong numbers na itong dalawang teams natin. Hence, itong tabla.
Sa offensive reboundings lang naman talaga nakalamang ang savior ng first half. But of course, Valenzuela doing a better job boxing out, not allowing Xavier to get those offensive rebounds.
That reverse won't work para kay Noah Manalastas. Timothy Corcolon. Another offensive rebound para dito sa Valenzuela. Hindi nga lang sila makaka-convert. Rebound Cheng.
Couple of offensive boards there. 3 tries, nothing going for Valenzuela.
Pedeliaga can't dial in from deep. Offensive rebound, Rafa Cheng. Kaso napayungan ni Timothy Corcolon. Red shirts on the run right now. Arkin Añano, Julian ni Rion C. Rafa Cheng barrels his way through. Plus the foul.
Just a patient move from Rafa Cheng. And what I like about that move, yung jump stop niya.
Talagang liga ready.
Liga ready si Rafa.
And this time he converts. Kanina hindi. A 3-point lead para dito sa Pasig, 49-46. Corcolon sets the pick. Panaligan. Natapik ni Rion C.
Great anticipation by Rion. That 2-2-1 half-court defense nitong side ng Stallions, doing a great job getting that turnover.
Rion, top of the key 3. That one is short. Noah Manalastas. Hindi niya nakukunin yung bola. Sa kanila pa rin naman mapupunta ang possession. Gian Taglia will be checking back in the ball game for Jared Cruz. Susunod po na laro nito, 18 and under division. As yung huling laro ng ating first set, 14 and under. Timothy Corcolon, another offensive rebound para sa Valenzuela. Gian Taglia gets his own miss. Julian ni Jared Unson. And his third try. Gumana na para dito kay Gian Taglia.
Just the persistence of Gian Taglia, not phased by the defense na pinapakita ng Pasig Stallions.
Ayun mga coach, no, yung kanina mo pang nabanggit, offensive rebounding for Valenzuela working wonders for them. Another turnover para sa Pasig. And Geno San Buenaventura
with the stretch underneath, he gives the lead to Valenzuela here in the fourth.
Rafa Cheng steps into a 3. Nothing there. Gian Taglia in transition. What will he do? Gian gets fouled! Basket and one for Gian Taglia.
Great move, great concentration, the bang and the bucket for Gian.
Pound for pound fitness, foul counted. Play of the quarter. Gian Taglia.
21 points in
klase.
the game. Itong Pasig falling in love with the three-pointer here in the fourth.
And just like that, Valenzuela. Puntos na kalamangan para dito sa Valenzuela. Talagang hindi sumusuko etong panig ni Coach Luis San Buenaventura.
7-3 run for Valenzuela here in the fourth.
Jordan Yang bumitin. Sumablay. Wala na naman netong Valenzuela. Taglia spins. Taglia on the move. Nothing on the floater.
Tried to do a bit too much there for Gian. We know that the offense revolves around Gian, but gotta do better in terms of executing your offense.
Rafael, that one is good para dito kay Rafa Cheng. San Buenaventura can't answer back. Rion C with the board. Chance to regain the lead. Itong mga nakaputi. They go Jordan Yang. Rafa thought about it. Goes to the middle. Kicks it out. Jordan. Now to Rafa. Another one. Can't hit it. Taglia. Now Noah Manalastas still scoreless since the first quarter, pero ito naman si Panaligan nagparamdam na para sa Valenzuela.
Great ball movement for the side of Valenzuela. Started with Taglia, gave it up to Manalastas. Manalastas giving it up to his teammate for the deuce.
That's Panaligan's first field goal here in this ball game. Tatlo ang inahabol na itong Pasig Stallions. Cheng with the miss. San Buenaventura. Shut off nicely by Rion C. Flores, Ko, and Tan will be checking in.
Fresh legs for Coach Ian Mazo. Halfway point ng ating fourth quarter. Akalain mo yun, ang bilis na.
Oh, sana mag-overtime. As Arkin Aniano hits that one to go.
Corner three-pointer, Arkin Aniano. That's his third three-pointer of the ball game. Deadly from the outside is Arkin.
A 6-point lead para dito sa Valenzuela. Jordan Yang babawi. Kapos. No, Manalastas grabs the board. Arkin Aniano na naman. They have the numbers. Gian Taglia na wala sa kanya bola. It's time for the white shirts to run. Jordan Yang goes all the way. Met up top para dito. Met up top by Timothy Corcolon and he fumbles the ball.
Wanted to go to Panaligan but Tristan Flores was there covering. So nagdalawang isip doon si Corcolon. He had called for a dribbling infraction. But how about the defense on Jordan? Neto ni Timothy. Hindi talaga niya pinayagang maka-layup lang ng basta-basta si Jordan.
A wide open miss para dito kay Rafa Cheng. Panaligan takes it strong. Panaligan will miss. Rebound Flores. His 8th. Or 9th rather.
Double his average almost. Etong si Tristan.
And they lose the ball once again, but they quickly regain it. Rafa Cheng. Sablay pa din para dito sa Pasig. Panaligan na naman. Wow, what a move from Panaligan. That quick hezzy to the layup.
Pretty shifty, pretty crafty guard. Etong si Panaligan. You're gonna see it here.
Whoops.
Diesel biglang push cross to the layup.
Reinhardt Panaligan for you, and a timeout has been called by Pasig Stallions.
Not a good day in the office for Tristan, but he is doing other things well for his team, namely rebounding.
Coach Luis San Buenaventura asking for a challenge.
went inside, got nothing for Pasig Stallions on that offensive set.
Arkin Anyano binigay kay Timothy Corcolon. Fabulous pass.
Nice cut to the basket by Timothy. And like what you said, fabulous pass by Arkin Anyano driving baseline.
Now ball is in the hands of Sean Ko. Yui Vergara pulls the trigger, gets fouled. From distance, 3 free throws will be rewarded. Dito kay Yui.
Oh, Manalastas getting called for that foul. You're gonna see it here, that crossover. Look at that drive. The Pinoy step. Defenders closing in or attracting the defenders was Arkin dropping it off. Okay, Timothy Corcolon.
We love to see guards, no, na may ganun klaseng arsenal, yung pagpasa. Ngayon kasi, di ba, coach, points guard.
Points guard.
Kaya sila yung gumagawa.
Highlight reel.
Highlight Pero
reel.
ito, yung mga kampi niya, pinapapogi niya. Itong si Arkin Anyano. Hindi lang ako yung pogi, sabi ni Arkin, dapat kayo din. Dapat ganun ka din, coach, namamasa ka din eh.
Di ba ako namamasa?
Bira, pagka na-doble ka na, saka may papasa.
Pag pinasa ko naman, nasushoot ko eh. Okay na yun.
Meantime, Anyano. And the three-pointer won't go para kay Noah Manalastas. Approaching the last 2 minutes. There it is, that last 2 minutes of this ball game. 62-54, still an 8-point lead para dito sa Valenzuela, but things are not over. Marami pang pagkakataon dito ang Pasig as Arkin Anyano hoists that tough jumper. Poor passing for these two teams nitong dalawang nakaraang possession nila.
And this is not the time for the Stallions to make or have those turnovers, lalo na naghahabol sila with just a couple of minutes remaining here.
Arkin Anyano. Sablay. And on the other side is Rafa Cheng cutting the lead to just 6 points. Nabuhayan ng bahagya itong Pasig Stallions after that basket. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining. Ito yung floater ni Arkin Anyano na sumablay. Ito yung leak out pass papunta dito kay Rafa Cheng. Cutting the lead to just 6 points. Timeout para dito sa Valenzuela. 6. Bola ng Valenzuela. Is this the perfect time to bust it out, coach?
Hindi natin iba-bust out yun. Wala, mahirap.
Ito, couple of misses, pero yung offensive rebounding, buti na lang. At para dito sa Pasig Stallions, nabitawan ni Noah Manalastas yung bola, pero 3 offensive rebounds na naman yung naibigay nila para dito sa Valenzuela, coach.
Under a minute remaining. Sayang yung timeout na yun, no? Hindi naka-convert itong side ni Coach Louie. But again, they were still able to get those offensive rebounds. So you see that they are trying to execute the offense na kinrokis ni Coach Louie.
Rafa Cheng, quick trigger. Off to the left. Rebound, Yui Vergara. Now Sean Ko. Rion puts it up on top of the key. Masyadong malakas. Sean Ko keeps it alive. Rafa Cheng. So many chances para dito sa panig ng Pasig. Rion, sablay pa din. Oh my! What a possession para dito sa Pasig Stallions.
4 chances for the Stallions to try and inch closer in this ball game. Kaso wala, hirap na hirap. Parang may takip. Yung ring ng side ng Stallions here in the 4th quarter.
It was a make or break possession para sa Pasig Stallions. 23 seconds na lang ang natitira dito sa ating laro.
Valenzuela cramping up si Noah Manalastas.
There you go, Yui Vergara. Can't waste time. Etong Pasig. Flores. Still can't get that one to go. Mukhang naging nightmare nila itong si Von Dalangin. Valenzuela. And there it is, that back-to-back losing streak of Valenzuela.
Yeah! Congratulations, Team Valenzuela! Ate! O, paano yan? Panalo tayo! Congrats sa atin! Sa mga anak natin, congrats! Ano masasabi mo sa team ng anak? Siyempre, kung ano nakita na ano. Masaya! Ayaw, masaya, siyempre. Proud kaming mga magulang. O, ikaw, Chris.
Congrats, Noah! Congrats sa inyo!
Congrats! Ayan. O, congrats kayo sa Team Valenzuela. Congratulations sa Team Valenzuela. Congrats, Team Valenzuela.
I'm with Chef's Magic Best Player of the Game, Gian Taglia. Gian, 22 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists. Grabe, ganado. Kung meron kang favorite moment ngayong game, ano yun?
Probably the 3 that started us and got me going.
Ayun, ang ganda ng pinakita nyo ngayon, pero kung meron pa kayong improvement sa mga susunod na games, ano yung gagawin mo?
Probably our defense, tapos yung trust namin sa teammates since di namin masyado na move yung bola.
Good luck with that, Gian. But for now, congratulations. Later, we'll recognize the Hustle Club's defensive player and Don Benito's assistment of the game. Back to you, gentlemen.
Thanks so much, Gwen. Congratulations once again, Gian Taglia and Valenzuela. Ang ating Hustle Club defensive player of the game from Valenzuela, Noah Manalastas. 14 rebounds, a steal and a block. Kahit hindi ganong katangkaran itong si Noah Manalastas, siya ang best rebounder here in this ball game. Pero ito ang Don Benito's assist man of the game, Yui Vergara, with 4 assists from Pasig Stallion.
Congrats, Noah. Defensive ka na naman. Ay, nako, ang anak ko, nakakarami na ng coupon. Congrats. Let's go, pawis na pawis ang anak ko. Ano? Sabi na tayo? Congrats, Noah. Nakakarami kaya coupon.